Barak University. The workshop, organized by Global Engagement Network on Internal Displacement, is aimed at protecting internally displaced persons through addressing gaps in research and policy engagements.
Of state survival. Therefore, I am encouraged that you are all here to help debate the solution to a very big problem affecting our country and continent. And as you do this, know that you have my support in this undertaking. Ladies and gentlemen, with those few remarks, it is my pleasure to wish you a productive engagement and to officially open this conference on the theme of building solutions to internal displacements in Africa. Thank you very much for your kind attention. And Professor Ambani, I just sneaked out of a meeting, and I did that because I did not want to miss this milestone in our university, and I just wanted also to see visitors from South Africa, and I'm hoping they will spend more time this period, and I believe this is not the first time they are going to visit, and it's my hope also that they will invite you to visit them so that we can have a mutual collaboration. So I would have wished to sit here longer and listen to you, but unfortunately I have to again go to the meeting because there's an item that they cannot discuss without my presence. So I am with you from beginning to end, even if you don't see me physically. Feel welcome. Karibuni, and be blessed. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your time. We just make one request to have a photo with you and our guests right outside. We'll only take 5 minutes of your time.
Yes, I'll actually have a photo with 2 groups of people, our guests and my winners.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for the comments. Ladies and gentlemen, candidates proceed outside briefly for a photo shoot, after which we will have our tea and we'll come back for the next session. Just right outside.
What you're seeing on your screen right now is that workshop that has been organized by the Global Engagement Network on Internal Displacement, that is GENIDA. And the aim of that meeting is to discuss, the issues of on issues touching on internally displaced persons, on how to protect them, and addressing the gaps in research and policy engagements. My colleague Ibrahim Karanja will continue giving you more updates about that workshop and that conversation. You'll be having it with Nicholas Wambua, who's up next with Leo Mashinani. And that means I need to bring KTN News Center to an end. Thank you so much for watching. To the men and the women behind the scene, including our guest for today, and also my editor, Ken Mijungu. Thank you for the good work that you've done today. God bless. My name is Brenda Zederadido. I see you again tomorrow, same time, same place. Let's all keep safe as we fight COVID-19 here in the country so as to lower our numbers.